Hello guys, if you are editing videos with Capcut and you don't know how to add audio or sound to your video, so in this video I will tell you this method. So please watch the full video and also give a like. So let's get started. First of all, let's tap on new project and here add a photo or a video. Let's suppose I'm adding this photo. This is a random photo. After that, you can add the audio from two places. Number one, you can see here add audio option, and here you also see audio option. When you tap on audio, you will see four more options. So first option is sound, so tap on sound option, and here you will see a lot of sounds like vlog, pop, beats, travel, R&B. Let's suppose this chicken vlog. You can add it from here or add it to your favorite. Let's suppose I'm adding it to favorite. For this, simply tap on star option. But if you want to add it from your phone gallery, so for this, tap on this envelope option, gallery option, and then tap on your from device option here. And there is only one voice in my device, so tap on plus icon. When you tap on plus icon, this will be added to your video. Now I want to cut it from here because the video is short and the sound is long. So for this, tap on the audio layer and tap on split option. Now it is already selected, so here you will see delete option. So I have deleted the useless the useless part. Now you can see both the layers are the same size and length. So that's the method. Hope you will like this video. See you in the next video. Goodbye.